Hello, this is Trista, and today we are talking about how to change your route to add to your creativity. So, this past weekend, we got to take care of a friend's cat, and she lives in the downtown area of Portland, and we live in the suburbs here in Beaverton. And it was a beautiful thing to experience new routes, new ways of living, where you just park your car and walk everywhere. It was so beautiful to experience that. And it really got me thinking about how we can change things here back home, and it really adds to our experience and our creativity and our routines every day. And even though we live in a place where we drive most everywhere, it doesn't mean it's not possible to walk to some places, and really explore and see new things along the way. So, this is something I invite you to do. Take a look at where you live. Maybe there's something different you can explore. Um, Maybe not every day, but at least once a week, you can walk to the little corner store to get something you would normally drive to get, or maybe take a new route to work, or get a different coffee drink, or explore a different way of just being in the world. And oftentimes I walk around here in my garden, and sometimes I decide to walk in different areas so I see different things, even though I've been here many, many times, just about every day. I see something new if I, for example, walk backwards or walk in the opposite way of the circle or walk in different configurations. So, all of this helps to really stir up our creative mind and get us thinking in different ways and different ways of being. And all that walking adds up to really great exercise and gives you so much more energy. So there's a triple win there. So I hope these ideas help you, and happy rerouting in your life this week. And I will see you Wednesday. Bye.